What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over this lithium battery. This lithium battery is 12 volts and 20 amps. We are going to use this to charge off-site. Y'all know I do like RC stuff and stuff like that. So my RC uses those LiPo batteries, very dangerous, and it has a special charger for those LiPo batteries. So to power that charger, I would rather do it off site if we like at the field or we at the park or something, instead of when the batteries run out, you have to come back home and all that. You can just charge the batteries on site. Yes, you can use your car battery or whatnot, but there's nothing wrong with having a little extra battery right there. I know some people use this in conjunction with their solar panels. Some people use this to charge up whatever, whatever you need a battery for, then there you go. All right, it says BMS. It says short circuit, overcharge, overload, overheat protection. So there you go. As a matter of fact, why not just show y'all? There you go. You can pause it, read it for yourself, because I'm not going to edit. There goes the front right here. There you go. Here goes the top. You always got to take the beauty cover off. And then they gave us a nice handle, right? And the beauty with this, you guys, is light. So, well, it's not going all the way down for me, you guys. So I might just leave it alone because I don't want it to break. Or does it go this way? Okay, I had it going the wrong way. And I can't get it back out. All right, you guys, so basically once you put this thing in, it's in. All right, you guys, so I am going to test this out, check it up, and we will get more into this, but it's time to have fun with this little battery right here. This is my charger right here that I use for my RC cars right here. This is the battery they use. LiPo batteries, very dangerous. You better charge it right or else it will explode. Now you have your DC right there. And this is if you're charging off site. Let's say you want to race somebody or y'all have a meetup and you want to race. You don't feel like going all the way back home to charge up your batteries. Then that's why we're here. Now, this is a dead battery right here, but I was seeing if I could use it, to do stuff around the house, but it's dead, you guys. There's nothing I could do. Even when I try to use it on this, let's see, when I use it on this, the words don't come up on my charger right there. So when I go to the new battery that we just bought, the words come up and you can see it right there. So what I'm going to do is use these alligator clips. I will clip it onto the new battery. All right. And before I do that, I'm going to turn it on the back so y'all can see. Once again, this is DC 11 to 18 volt as far as the input goes. It has a fan right here on the side. And then you have your DC input. It tells you your output right there. It tells you your AC input right there, and max charge power. All right, so you got all your stuff right there. Now I am just going to test this out to see if it works with this battery. If not, I might have to get a stronger battery, but we're just testing out. So right now I'm going to hook this alligator clip up right here. I'm gonna hook this one up here. Everything comes on right there. Now I have my LiPo batteries, 5.2 amps. And then you got 5,200 milliamps, which equals to 5.2 A right there. And then 11.1 V, 11.1 V. So that's how you're supposed to charge your stuff. Yeah, I figured that out by looking at YouTube videos. And plus of years of doing this. Now you guys, I haven't drove my RC cars in years, okay? It's been years, but I feel like getting back into it. So this will be a start of me trying to get back into off-site charging by using this type of battery. Or I could do some cool stuff around the house. All right, put it on the balance right there. Everything is good. Now I'm gonna hit start. Now I haven't used this in a while, you guys. I think I got a hold start. Okay, there we go. It's saying it's invalid. Maybe it can't charge it. I would just let this one charge, and then once this done, I'll charge this. But I just wanted to show y'all that. All right, everybody. So I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on this cool little mini battery thing. It works, but it don't put out the power that I need. So I will be looking into something later on in the near future. Pretty much, probably by the time springtime come, I will try to get something that puts out a little bit more power, or a lot more power. So this thing is basically good for charging stuff, like charging your phone, charging, I don't know. So it's 12 volts, 20 amps. Okay. So this could charge like your scooters, or your little mini scooters for kids and stuff like that. What else? They say you can use it, you know, those little Fisher Price, I think it's Fisher Price, those little toy four-wheeler things for kids. They say you could use it for that. I don't have no toy thing to show y'all that. So as y'all know, I try to charge up for my electric car. So my electric car charges these LiFePO batteries right here. Very powerful batteries, very powerful batteries. I even have some LiFePO batteries that's swollen up. I did so much charging with them. I'm trying to bring my Armor, my RC cars back. So it powers it on. All right. But when I go to charge my batteries, it charges for a little bit, and then it error sign come on. So it will not charge up my batteries, and it takes a little while for the error sign to come on, but it does come on. All right. Now I was just having some fun. I was trying to test it on a inverter. I do have an inverter here, so I tried to put it on an inverter just to see what will it do with the microwave. So it don't do nothing. So I will just go ahead. Y'all know all the specs. Here are all the specs. So you know what you can use this for. I'm just going to be honest with y'all. For me, it's not what I was expecting. This season, or these next coming seasons, I'm trying to be energy efficient as far as just everything. I'm trying to be energy efficient as far as charging batteries, using water pumps outside, because I'm going to do a lot of outside reviews, trying to do it like solar, or use like an inverter, like big power inverter. So we will be doing some cool stuff this year. This year we will be doing some cool stuff, but this battery may be good for, you know, little jobs and stuff like that. I can't really downplay it because it doesn't do what I want it to do, because just for the simple fact, it has the ratings here, but I was just trying to see if this will actually give it enough power to do what I want it to do. Once again, I will post all of this for y'all, or if not, you can see it right there. And then you'll know how strong this battery is, and if it's good for you, then good. If it's not, then don't order it. Other than that, the link will be in the description. And yeah, like, comment, share, and subscribe.